In this video, we are going to discuss about National Register of Citizens, that is NRC. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IUS YouTube channel. So let's begin. NRC. What is the definition of it? A list of genuine Indian citizens, non-listed or illegal migrants. First published in 1951. Updated in Assam 2019 under section 14A Citizenship Act 1955. Assam NRC. Origin Assam Accord 1985. Set March 25, 1971 as cutoff date for foreigners. Section 6A Citizenship Act, a different cutoff date for Assam. Pre-January 1, 1966. Deemed citizen from January 1 to 1966. January 1, 1966 to March 25, 1971. Registered citizens after 10 years. No voting. Post March 25, 1971. Illegal migrants subject to deportation. 2023 challenge. Section 6A challenged in Supreme Court as arbitrary. Status. Supreme Court ordered update 2013. Final draft August 2019. Excluded 19 lakh applicant. Final list pending. Importance. Identifies illegal infiltrators, prevents future migration, curb fake documents, and protects citizens' rights. Adds policy making, enhances internal security, ensures fair election. Issues. Exclusion of genuine citizen, potential for fake document, and potential for fake document abuse and loss of rights. Tribal vulnerabilities, law and order risk, judicial burden, high cost, rupees 1400 plus crore by 2022. Improvement. Independent observer, stronger foreigners tribunal, and human retention. Bilateral talk with Bangladesh, non-discriminatory laws. Link with CAA. NRC identifies non-citizens. CAA 2019 provides citizenship for persecuted non-Muslim migrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan entered before December 31st, 2014, who might be excluded by NRC. National Population Register (NPR) definition: database of usual residents residing 6+ months or intending to. Collected 2010, updated 2015, conducted during census. House listing, legal backing. Citizenship Act 1955. Rules 2003 mandatory. Significance: comprehensive identity database, demographic plus biometric, improves policy, reduces error duplication, support one identity card, enhances security. NPR versus NRC. NPR lists all usual residents inclusive foreigners. First step toward NRC. NRC identifies only Indian citizens via documentary proof. NPR versus Census. Census Act 1948. Decennial statistical data collection as sex etc. No identity verification. NPR identify focused, collect demographic and biometric data. Mandatory for residents. Issues: privacy concerns, no data protection law, legality of biometric collection, national security risk, data breaches, duplication with Aadhaar census. Status: funding halted, effectively stalled. Status of refugees in India. Definition: persons fearing persecutions, race, religion, etc. Unable to return home. 1951 Refugee Convention. India host nearly 212,000 to 38 refugees, asylum seekers, UNSCR 2023. Legal framework. So India hosts asylum seeker about 212,000 to 38. Legal framework. No comprehensive refugee law relies on ad hoc measures. Constitutional Article 1421 applies to person, including refugees. International, not a signatory to 1951 Refugee Convention, 1967 Protocol. Signed non-binding Global Compact on Refugees. Domestic Foreigners Act 1946. Treats refugees as a foreigners. Citizenship Act 1955 defines illegal migrants. Judicial approach uphold non-refoulement. Example NHRC versus Arunachal Pradesh 1996. Nandita Haksar versus Manipur 2021. But inconsistent. Example Rohingya case 2021. Challenges, policy gaps, ad hocism and ambiguity, refugee versus illegal migrants, political security concerns, economic barriers, social integration issues, judicial inconsistency. Way forward, clear legal definitions, better UNHCR collaboration, considered NHRC model asylum laws, strengthen global cooperation. Fundamental rights, Part 3 of the Constitution. Concept: justified claims for dignity, development protective against state overreach. Example Article 21. Promotive personal growth. Example Article 19. Not absolute, reasonable restrictions. Origin: Western influence locks natural light. US Bills of Rights, Indian evolution, Swaraj Bill. 1895 Motilal Nehru Report 1928. Constituent Assembly, Sardar Patel Committee. Kinds: natural, human, moral, legal, constitutional, fundamental rights and other statutory. Fundamental rights, Part 3, Article 12 to 35, called Magna Carta, essential for individual growth, guaranteed by Constitution. Significance: protect liberty, promotes rule of law, democratic values, social justice, minority rights. Features: integral, qualified justiciable, Article 32 Supreme Court, Article 226 High Court. Amendable, subject to basic structure doctrine, Keswanand Bharati case 1973. Suspendable, national emergency, except Article 2021, applicable against state and some private bodies. State, Article 12, Union, State, Government and Legislature, local authorities, municipalities, etc. Other authorities, example LIC, ONGC, deep state control public function. BCCI, not state, no statutory backing, but under SC High Court jurisdiction. Judiciary, not state for judicial function, but state for administrative function. Laws inconsistent with fundamental rights, Article 13. Judicial review, courts can declare law void. Pre-constitutional laws, wide to extent of inconsistency. Doctrine of eclipse, not wide but overshadowed, example Vikaji versus MBs. Post-constitutional law, wide to extent contravention, doctrine of severability, only offender part struck down. Doctrine of severability says only offending part struck down. Wide to extent contravention. Law, Article 13(3) includes ordinances, rules, customs. Constitutional amendment, not law, 24th Amendment 1971, but subject to basic structure. Classification of FRs, 6 categories. Equality 14 to 18, freedom 19 to 22, against exploitation 23-24, religion 25-28, cultural educational 29-30, constitutional remedies 32, right to property article 31 deleted by 44th amendment 1978, now legal right article 300A. Citizens only article 15, 16, 19, 29, 30, all persons article 14, 20, 21, 21A, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Right to equality article 14 to 18. Article 14 says equality before law, no special privileges, equal protection of laws, treated treated alike, reasonable restrictions are there, reasonable classification, rule of law, basic feature. Exception: president, governor immunity under article 361, diplomatic immunity, parliamentary privileges article 105, 194 and 31C. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination, no discrimination on religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. Exception: special provisions for women children 15.3 SC, ST, SC, BC. 15.4 First Amendment Act, reservation in education 15.5 93rd Amendment EWS. 15.6 10% 103rd Amendment. Article 16 equality in public employment. Exception: residence 16.3, reservation for backward classes 16.4, promotion for SC STs 16.4A. 77th Amendment religious institution 16.5. So this is the last page of this lecture. EWS 16.6 10% as per 103rd Amendment Act. Article 335 SC ST claims with administrative efficiency relaxed standard. 82nd Amendment backward classes. Reservation debates in the Sahani 1992. 50% ceiling, no promotion reservation. Creamy layers, exclusion OBCs, caste is a factor not sure. M. Nagaraj 2006 upheld promotion reservation for SCs STs with condition backwardness, inadequate representation, efficiency. Jarnail Singh 2018 no quantifiable data needed for SC STs, backwardness in promotion, creamy layer applies to SC STs. Janhit Abhiyan 2022 upheld 10% EWS 103rd Amendment, not basic structures violation. Subcategorization G. Rohini Commission OBCs. Local reservation Haryana 75% domicile quota in private jobs. Quest 2023 by High Court. So this was the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focus videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.